Creating a hotspot on CN Maestro when using CN Pilot from Cambium, the enterprise access points. All you have to do is you go to cloud.cambiumnetworks.com. If you don't have an account, you can actually just create an account. Alright, I already have an account, so I can basically just sign in with my username and password. Normally it's my email address. Like I said, if you don't have an account, you can create a username and password. It's basic information with regard to your company. There's no strings attached. It's free of charge. So you go straight to Services, Guest Access Portal. You'll see I already created quite a few here. We can delete that one just for the sake of the exercise, and we can delete this one as well. Alright, add portal. Let's call this Miro Test. Description, Miro Test. Save. Alright, there's your new guest access portal created. So we're currently working on this one. Basic details, you can go and change that if you really want to. Access control, the second tab. Basically you can enable a free Wi-Fi hotspot. Enable. Over here you'll see that you can rate your client sessions via time. You can go and rate your client via limits, whether it's a 2 or 4 or 10 meg up and down. There's quota limiting as well. You can actually go and throttle the downlink and the uplink. So not only is it rate limiting, but also time and quota limiting, which is also a very nice feature. There's social login availability. I know Facebook is also something very nice. A lot of service providers use or offer is logging in via Facebook. You can actually have SMS authentication. So basically you can do token authorization via SMS as well. You can add a whitelist. Normally, for the sake of the example, co.za. You can add Miro there as well. And you can basically just save from there. Alright, so if you move on to the paid features, you can enable it. You can actually add a PayPal payment gateway as well, which is also something that is very attractive or easy to use. And you can go and add different sort of payment features as well with regards to vouchers or tokens. If you go to the voucher page, you can go and add a new plan. Enable, add new plan for vouchers. Miro Test. Over here you can go and manipulate session duration and voucher expiry, sort of self-explanatory. Client rate limiting, client quota limiting, a voucher device limit, and over here you can also go and manipulate the look and feel of the voucher. Title, message, access code. You can play around with the colors. Save, voucher created, Bob's your uncle. We move on to splash page over there. There's a few templates, standard templates, airport, beach, coffee, hotel. You can go and look around and manipulate it. But over here, you can go and add your own logo, company logo. You can browse your background. Same story, you can go and add colors and some text design as well. There you go. Page title, login title, message, error message, footer, and then of course very important, your content. So over there you can actually go and give it a page title, Miro Test. There's a welcome message as soon as they want to access it. Access internet. There's T's and C's. You can add a lot of text over here, and from there on you can have a success message, a failure message, server error message, and you can agree to the T's and C's. There's login buttons and then footers as well. On success, you can redirect If you want the client to go straight to your website, you can add that as well. There's some advanced settings over here. If you also want to browse or pull in some customer designs, that's also available. You can save it, and you've created your splash page. Alright guys, so like I said, CN Maestro in the cloud or on site, free of charge. No licensing on the controller or the access points, no recurring fees, and yeah, basically you can create a hotspot within 5 minutes. Whether it's vouchers or tokens, or you want to go and manipulate your splash page, or you want to go and access or configure your access control, data rate, time limiting, vouchers, look and feel, whitelists, blacklists. I think it's quite a very self-explanatory, easy session. Alright, there's some sessions, so you can also go and have a look at connections, whether it's your MAC, access point, access type. This is very nice for reporting, and you can see who's on your network. Remaining time, disconnected. There's login events as well, paid transactions. So this will enable you to do a lot of reporting and monitoring as well. That's how you create a hotspot on CN Pilot on CN Maestro.